I'm NASA Kennedy's Allison Tankersley, and I'm outside KSC bringing you inside KSC. The Orion spacecraft for NASA's Artemis 1 mission is one step closer to its flight to the moon. With manufacture and assembly complete, the spacecraft transitioned from the Orion and Lockheed Martin teams to the Exploration Ground Systems and Jacobs teams, who will complete ground processing for flight. Workers lowered Orion onto a transporter and moved it from the Neil Armstrong Operations and Checkout Building to the Multi-Payload Processing Facility. Ground system teams will now fuel and service the spacecraft in preparation for launch atop the Space Launch System from Launch Pad 39B at Kennedy Space Center later this year. Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is being prepared for the company's second Orbital Flight Test, OFT-2, as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. Earlier this month, technicians installed the NASA docking system cover on the Starliner crew module in the Commercial Crew and Cargo Processing Facility. The cover protects the components that connect the spacecraft to the International Space Station. Technicians also performed tests to measure the weight and balance of the spacecraft to ensure optimal performance during launch and re-entry. The test also helped validate that the spacecraft meets the various weight requirements for launching on the Atlas V rocket, docking to the space station, navigation of the vehicle, and more. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.